Hi students, in this video I shall continue the remaining portions of Pranashta Salya. Next topic is methods to identify the presence of Salya. In the previous video, I had told about Acharya mentioned Vishesh Lakshana according to the sites like Twak, Mamsam, Sandhi, Asti, etc. And Acharya also mentioned about how to identify a Shalya present in the sites. Okay, let's check. So first, as usual, first if it is in Twak, how to identify a Shalya present in the Twak. So first of all, let's do Sneha Sweda in the Twak. If it is in Twak, first do Sneha Sweda and then apply a Lepa. Lepa either will be Mrit, Masha, Yava, Godhuma or Gomaya. Apply any one of these Lepa, and if the Samramba and Vedana appears, means swelling and pain appears in that site, then we can assume that Shalya is embedded here. Okay, this is the first method in identification of Shalya in the Twak. And the second method is apply Sthana Grida. Sthana Grida means condensed Grida, means in its solid state, or apply Mrit or Chandana Kalka on that side. If the Grida gets diluted and the Lepa gets dried, then we can assume that Shalya is embedded here. How the Grida get diluted? If Shalya is present, the inflammatory features will be there, like Samramba, Vedana, etc. And by this inflammation, there will be rise of temperature over that side, and due to this Ushma, the condensed Grida get diluted and the soft Leba will become dried up. So that's the reason behind this. Okay, so in Twak, two methods are there. First is do Sneha Sweda and apply Lepa of Mrit, Masha, Yava, Godhuma, etc. And then Samramba Vedana appears, we can assume that Shalya is embedded there. Second method is apply Sthana Grida or Mrit Chandana Kalka, and if Grida gets diluted or Chandana Kalka gets dried up, then we can assume the presence of Shalya. Okay. And the next is if in Mamsa, how can we assess? In Mamsa, the procedure is Sneha Swedhadi Kriya should be done. Sneha Swedhadi Kriya means Panchakarma procedure is done to the patient. And after the application of Panchakarma, what will happen to patient? Patient become Karshida, means he will become emaciated. So, after the patient become emaciated, the Shalya become a little bit loose and movable. So that by this movement of Shalya, there will be occur Samramba and Vedana. By Samramba and Vedana, we can assume the presence of Shalya here. Okay. And the same method of Mamsa can also be applied in Koshta, Asti, Sandhi, Peshi and Astivivara also. So in Mamsa, do Sneha Swedadi procedure, and by that patient become Karshida. When the part become emaciated, the Shalya become a little bit movable, and by this movement Samramba and Vedana occurs. Same is also applied on Koshta, Sandhi, Asti, Peshi and Astivivara, right? Next is in Sira, Dhamani, Srodhas and Snayu, means these are channels. Okay, so in the sites, how we can assume the presence of Shalya. So advise the patient to travel in a Khanda Chakra. Khanda Chakra means in a broken chariot. Okay, how we can assess? In broken chariot, it will be very strenuous, right? So patient got so much stressed, and by this physical stress, there will occur Samramba and Vedana, and we can assume the presence of Shalya. Okay, in Sira, Dhamani, Srodhas, Snayu, Khanda Chakra Yana. From Khanda Chakra Yana, we can connect the presence of Shalya. Okay. Next is in Asti. In Asti, first do Sneha Sweda, and just because it is Asti, do Bandhana and Pidhana. And by Bandhana and Pidhana, Samramba and Vedana will occur. Then we can connect that in Asti, Shalya is present. Okay. Next is in Sandhi. Sandhi also, first procedure is Sneha Sweda. In almost all these sites, the first procedure is Sneha Sweda and the second one is the key point. In Sandhi, do Sneha Sweda first, then Prasarana Agunjana, means flexion and extension movements of that Sandhi is to be done. And by this Samramba and Vedana will occur, then we can assume that there is the presence of Shalya. And the last one is Marma. To assess the presence of Shalya in Marma, there is no particular method is available. only examine the marmasthana properly by available knowledge. Okay. So these are the different methods to identify the presence of Shalya. Each one is very peculiar. Okay. For all